I'll brief you about
Silent, please.
Operation Sugu Handama, which was carried out by the sector today. Based on the input what we received from Jammu and Kashmir police late in the evening yesterday, a swift cordon was planned by 44 Rashtriya Rifle, and making use of the hours of darkness, they swiftly mobilized to the orchards of Sugu Handama so as to prevent the escape of the terrorists. The entire movement by the parties was carried out in a concealed and tactical manner to prevent detection by the early warning of the terrorists who were in the area. The intelligence for the operation was built very diligently by Jammu and Kashmir Police and by own Rashtriya Rifle unit over a period of time, wherein we were getting regular inputs of movement of terrorists in this area east of Rambiara. These terrorists were involved in numerous notorious acts to include killing of apple traders in trains last year, carrying out excesses on the local populace, threatening and harassment of innocent civilians, businessmen and shopkeepers. The terrorists were also involved in brainwashing and coercing the local youth in joining the terrorist ranks. There were also reports of their being involved in abduction of police personnel and carrying out standoff attacks, grenade attacks on security forces pickets. The cordon in the thick wooded orchards of Sugu Handama was laid in the midnight, and the search commenced in the early morning hours. At around 0530 hours, while the search parties were moving ahead, they came under heavy volume of fire, which was also conducted east of Rambiara around Shopian. A total of 14 terrorists have been eliminated, and I am sanguine that with elimination of this terrorist, there will be peace in the area for coming some time. Thank you. Jai Hind. The elimination of these 14 terrorists will definitely bring a sigh of relief for the innocent civilians, the apple growers in this area. The orchard growers have suffered a lot of loss in the last season. I am hopeful they will make up this season.
How do you
Hizbul Mujahideen over the last few months, and especially these operations and the operation what we did in Tokan Begpura, wherein their operational chief commander Riaz Naiku was eliminated, has suffered a lot of setbacks. Their leadership has been targeted, and I'm sanguine that the local youth will understand that this path is futile and they will shun this path of violence.
There are
IDs on the security forces, a vehicle ID. However, this threat was neutralized once a vehicle ID was recovered and destroyed in the areas of Bunhanjan next to Rajpura, Pulwama, and the ID expert was eliminated in the Operation Kangan near Pulwama called Fauji Bhai. So I am hopeful that the ID threat which was emanating has been utilized. However, we still have inputs about two Pak terrorists, Walid Bhai, who specializes in ID, and we are cautious. All precautions are being taken to ensure that our security forces do not suffer any harm, loss or damage from the IDs what the terrorists have.
So there are
To the masses,